Okay, start off by pulling this cover off. Just this little clip that holds it in. This is a T25 Torx. So there's two clips on here. So it's this clip and this clip. We did that the smart way. Well, the first issue, this here has a tab, just like this one. That's on the back side. Alright, down to the nitty gritty already, unlike a street glide. Okay, so remove this quarter and extension because you want to get up here. First, we're going to start by pulling these off and get everything out of the way. So when we pull this, all we got to do is pull the bars out. We'll lay that out of the way. And that, getting the handlebar off was actually T27, by the way. Now to get these off. Oof, might be doing that. Now I heard that this was a problem. People getting this out of here. You just have to force it that way and it'll come out. Clip right here. So flop that down. That can be pulled loose. That came off. So these are the connections we need to unplug. Now they are all kind of anchored back here. This one is a clip right here. Push that, it comes right out. This one, clip right here. Out. These two, clip right here, and a clip right here. Now the wires, I just tucked them back out of the way for now, even though everything's unhooked and ready to come out. So I'm hoping you can see this. This right here is a pin for the factory bars. There it is. Now, for the factory wires, you need to pull them out of this holder. And I don't know if you can see, if I got good enough light, there's these little tabs right here. These got to be pushed in so that connector can come out. So, this tab here is either going to have to be ground out, or we're going to have to get the different style clamp because of this extra weight that's on it. All this is hooked back up. These are tight. These are tight. So I'm just going to I'm just going to plug the gauges back in. I want to verify a few other things are still working. So this part needs to be removed from here. And here is the key to getting these bars to work, or any ape color than 12. There's the one, I believe it's the clutch line. This normally sits right here. I had to pull that out. There's another brake line, and that's just got to be snipped out, and then it's fine. Not snipped out. It's just got to be snapped out of the holder, and then freed up, and it's fine. I'm gonna get this all put back together, and that's it for the install, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Give me a like, a comment. You're dumb, or whatever you want. Whatever works. Thanks, guys.